Hi, it's Carrie. I'm at the Smithsonian Zoo in Washington, and I love these lions. I find lions fascinating. Living in the grasslands, scrub, and open woodlands of sub-Saharan Africa, the lion is the second largest cat in the world. It is dwarfed slightly by the tiger, which is closely related and has a very similar body shape. Unlike other cats, lions are very social animals. They live in groups called prides of around 30 lions. This is a white lion. A pride consists of up to 3 males, a dozen related females and their young. The size of the pride is determined by the availability of food and water. If resources are scarce, the pride becomes smaller. Pride members keep track on one another by roaring. Both males and females have a very powerful roar that can be heard up to 8 kilometers or 5 miles away. Female lions are the primary hunters of the group. They are smaller and more agile than males, but since their prey is still generally faster than them, they use teamwork to bring an animal down. Fanning out, they form a semicircle, with the smaller, weaker lionesses herding the prey towards the centre. Then the stronger females knock the animal down and make the kill. Lions usually hunt at night. Their prey includes antelopes, buffaloes, zebras, young elephants, rhinos, hippos, wild hogs, crocodiles and giraffes, but they sometimes like to eat smaller prey like mice, birds, lizards, hares and tortoise. They are not above stealing from other carnivores like hyenas, wild dogs and cheetahs, leopards or scavenging spoiled meat. After a successful hunt, all the lions in the pride share the meal, but there is a pecking order with the adult males taking first claim, followed by the lionesses and finally the cubs. Lions have a fast-working digestive system which allows them to gorge themselves and then go for seconds shortly after. If available, they will drink water every day, but they can go 4 to 5 days without drinking by obtaining moisture from the stomach contents of their prey. And here's Simba. The Lion King is one of my favorite movies. And here's the baby Simba and Kion. So cute. Lionesses give birth to 2 to 3 cubs at a time. Usually a couple of females give birth around the same time. The cubs are raised together, sometimes nursing communally. The cubs are vulnerable to predators like hyenas, leopards, black-backed jackals. They are sometimes trampled by large animals like buffaloes. Furthermore, when another group of male lions takes over a pride, they kill all the cubs so they can sire their own cubs with the lionesses. Scent marking, also known as territorial marking or spraying, this involves urination. It is a behaviour used by lions to identify their territory. Lions form prides to defend territory against other lions, not to improve their hunting success, much like street gangs. The more members in the pride, the more successful the lions are at controlling their territory. Larger prides with more adult females not only produce more cubs, as might be expected, but the females within these prides are less likely to be wounded or killed by other lions. When a lion smells something interesting, it will wrinkle up its nose, retract its lips and clench its teeth, pulling a somewhat pained expression. This is known as the Femen response. A Other animals also do this, including cat species and ungulates such as horses. The lion draws the scent into their nostrils, holding it for several seconds. They have a special sensory organ in the roof of their mouth which samples the chemicals in the odour. When a pride of lions hears the roar of a single lion approaching, two lions will always go out to meet the lone stranger. If there are two approaching lions, then the resident females send out 4 lions to meet them. Safety in numbers. African lions are considered vulnerable for extinction. They are threatened by loss and fragmentation of habitat. They are also killed by humans in bravery rituals as hunting trophies, for medicinal powers, or by ranchers protecting their livestock. Furthermore, they are susceptible to tick-borne diseases like canine distemper and babesia. Distemper is spread to lions by neighbouring village dogs as well as hyenas. Thank you for watching my video. Please share with your friends and I love to read your comments. See you again soon.